floor, now beginning to earn the ire of Bombastic Man. Umiinit ulo mo, partner, eh. Here's Ferriols. That's the biggest fear of all PBA players. Uminit ang ulo ni Barry. Meantime, here's Jondan Salvador with the rebound. Nagkahabol pa rin ng Pure Foods dito sa second quarter. Here's Roger Yap. To Ralimi. Ralimi. Misses. Wow. Kirby with the putback.
First game pa lang naman ni Ralimi. Pagtsatsagaan pa siya. Dahil somehow, hindi pa niya kilala yung kanyang mga teammates.
Maraming mga variables, kumbaga. Of town, jet lag, unfamiliarity with teammates and the environment as well. Here's James Yap. James Yap on the move. James Yap all the way, no go. Fonacier with a rebound. Takbo tayo sa kabilang panig is Tenorio. Tenorio stops. Bounce pass, De La Cruz. So many white shirts inside. And here comes Ferriols. Ferriols. And out to Tenorio. Here's Tenorio to Fonacier for 3. No, airball. Oh! Patuloy ang shot clock dito. Tenorio for 3. No. And Jondan Salvador says, oh, tama na yan. Bola naman namin. Here's Roger Yap. Roger Yap to Ralimi. Ralimi.
Tiwala ka siya doon.